Your kidneys are remarkable organs, performing the vital task of filtering waste and toxins from your blood, regulating fluid balance, and producing essential hormones. Despite their crucial role in keeping you healthy, the choices you make every day, especially regarding what you drink, can either support or seriously harm your kidneys. Number 1. Diet sodas. The deceptive sweetness. Diet sodas are often marketed as a guilt-free alternative to sugary drinks, but don't be fooled by their low-calorie labels. These beverages are loaded with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose, which may have fewer calories but come with a host of health risks. Studies have shown that regular consumption of diet sodas can lead to a decline in kidney function over time. The acidic nature of these drinks can also contribute to the formation of kidney stones, a painful and potentially dangerous condition. The artificial sweeteners in diet sodas have been linked to oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, which can eventually lead to decreased kidney function. Instead of reaching for that diet soda, consider flavored water with natural ingredients like lemon or cucumber slices, which not only hydrates but also supports kidney health. Number 2. Alcohol, a hidden kidney culprit. Alcohol is a common indulgence for many, but excessive consumption can wreak havoc on your kidneys. When you drink alcohol, your body prioritizes breaking down the alcohol over other metabolic processes, which can lead to dehydration, a major risk factor for kidney problems. Chronic alcohol use can also cause high blood pressure and liver disease, further complicating kidney health. Dehydration from alcohol reduces the fluid available for your kidneys to function properly, making it harder for them to filter blood and maintain the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. While an occasional drink might not cause significant harm, regular and excessive consumption could lead to long-term kidney damage. If you enjoy alcohol, moderation is key, and it's essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water alongside. Number 3. Coffee, your morning ritual under scrutiny. For many, coffee is an essential part of the morning routine. While moderate coffee consumption can offer some health benefits, such as improved cognitive function and a lower risk of certain diseases, overindulgence can be problematic for your kidneys. Coffee is a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which can lead to dehydration if not balanced with adequate water intake. Dehydration places a strain on your kidneys, reducing their ability to function effectively. Additionally, the caffeine in coffee can cause spikes in blood pressure, another risk factor for kidney disease. To protect your kidneys, it's best to limit your coffee intake to 1 or 2 cups a day and ensure you're staying hydrated with water throughout the day. Number 4. Energy drinks, the quick fix with long-term consequences. Energy drinks have become increasingly popular, especially among young adults and those seeking a quick boost of energy. However, these beverages can be particularly harmful to your kidneys. Energy drinks are packed with high levels of caffeine, sugar, and other stimulants that can have detrimental effects on your kidney health. The excessive caffeine content in energy drinks can cause spikes in blood pressure and heart rate, putting extra stress on your kidneys. The high sugar content can also lead to insulin resistance and diabetes, both of which are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Moreover, frequent consumption of energy drinks can lead to dehydration, as they often act as diuretics, increasing urine output and reducing the fluid available for proper kidney function. For a healthier energy boost, consider natural alternatives like a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, adequate sleep, and regular physical activity. Number 5. Sports drinks, not as healthy as they seem. Sports drinks are often marketed as essential for hydration and electrolyte balance, especially after intense physical activity. However, for the average person, these drinks can do more harm than good. Most sports drinks contain high amounts of sugar and sodium, which can be detrimental to kidney health. The excessive sugar content in sports drinks can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Similarly, the high sodium content can lead to high blood pressure, further straining the kidneys. While these drinks may be beneficial for professional athletes or individuals engaging in prolonged, intense exercise, they are generally unnecessary for casual exercisers. Instead, opt for plain water to stay hydrated, or, if you need to replenish electrolytes, consider natural sources like coconut water or a homemade electrolyte drink with minimal sugar. Number 6. Artificially sweetened beverages. The hidden danger. Drinks containing artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose are often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugary drinks, but they come with their own set of risks. Although they are low in calories, these artificial sweeteners can still have negative impacts on your kidneys. Research suggests that consuming artificially sweetened beverages regularly can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, potentially leading to decreased kidney function over time. These sweeteners may also disrupt the body's metabolic processes and contribute to the development of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. To protect your kidneys, it's best to avoid drinks with artificial sweeteners and opt for natural alternatives like herbal teas, infused water with fresh fruits, or beverages sweetened with natural sweeteners such as honey or stevia. Number 7. Fruit juices. The sugar trap. Fruit juices are often perceived as a healthy choice because they come from natural sources. However, most commercially available fruit juices are loaded with added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. This high sugar content can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and increasing the risk of diabetes, which can severely impact kidney health. Moreover, without the fiber present in whole fruits, you miss out on the benefits that help regulate blood sugar and promote digestive health. Excessive consumption of fruit juices can also lead to weight gain, another risk factor for kidney disease. If you enjoy fruit juices, the best option is to make them at home without adding extra sugar and to consume them in moderation. Better yet, opt for eating whole fruits to get the full spectrum of nutrients and fiber. Number 8. Soda. The well-known culprit. Regular soda is one of the most well-known culprits when it comes to kidney damage, and for good reason. These sugary beverages are loaded with high fructose corn syrup and artificial ingredients that can wreak havoc on your body. The high sugar content in soda can lead to obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, all of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Additionally, the phosphoric acid used in many sodas to enhance flavor and shelf life can cause an imbalance in the body's mineral levels, leading to kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts on our video in the comment section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.